Want to instantly grab attention and showcase your expertise? Let's get a video front and center on your Kvcore homepage. First, you'll need your video. Make sure it's uploaded to a video hosting platform like YouTube or Vimeo. Copy the video's embed code. You'll need this shortly, usually found under the share settings. In your Kvcore dashboard, navigate to Website Manager, then click Edit Website. Now, select the page you want to edit, which should be your home page. Then locate the area where you'd like to place the video. This might be a text widget, a custom section, or any area that allows HTML code. Click on the source code or HTML button within your text editor. Paste the embed code you copied earlier into this box. Click OK or Update to save the changes within the text editor. Then click Save or Publish at the bottom of the page to update your website. Finally, visit your website homepage to confirm the video is displaying correctly. It's best practice to test on both desktop and mobile to ensure optimal viewing. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a video on your Kvcore homepage. Now watch those leads roll in.